Hi everyone, it's RobinB360 and I'm back for you with another video. This time we are going to unbox the black PlayStation 5 DualSense and compare it a bit with the original white DualSense and have some extra info for you at the end of this video. In the meanwhile, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go! I always like the look of the boxes of PlayStation accessories. They look so clean. The only thing is that the outside is a bit fragile. And if you want to keep these boxes, it can be a challenge to keep them perfect without any rips in it. The inside is always a lot more sturdy, so it is protected very well. So here it is, the black DualSense. It looks great. I especially like the matte finish on it. It feels great in your hands, like the original one. There are no changes in size or functionality, it only looks a bit different. That the black one is completely black and the white one has a small black part but is overall white. If you need to have some additional accessories for your DualSense or PlayStation 5, I will review this value box of QR soon. And I will also show you 5 must-haves for your PlayStation 5 next week. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it. I always like to have 2 controllers in different colors, just to mix it up a bit. What about you? What color DualSense would you like to have, even if you can name one that doesn't exist yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week on another video.